Welcome back. As we told you earlier in the show, avian flu detected in the wastewater of 3 Maricopa County cities: Surprise, Phoenix, and Tempe.
So now the spread of that disease has egg producers, as you can imagine, on edge. 12 News journalist Erica Stapleton reports from Queen Creek with a look at what this means for farmers and for us consumers.
Brittany Thomas does a lot to keep her flock in Queen Creek safe and healthy, including this little guy right here. But concerns of avian flu are spreading not just from the backyard farmers, but to commercial producers, and there's an impact on your wallet.
What started as a fun project with her kids soon turned into a full-blown passion for poultry.
I just became obsessed with it.
Brittany Thomas now runs AZ Silkies and Sarama's hatchery and homestead in Queen Creek. Her business is growing as safety concerns for poultry farmers are growing nationwide.
Protecting my flock from disease is always on my mind.
Recently, there have been 3 confirmed cases of bird flu in Arizona animals. The virus, which is making some birds sick, is also hatching problems at the grocery store.
And I didn't get the big pack because it was so expensive.
Some grocers alerting customers there's a shortage of eggs, impacting what they can sell and how much they cost. Eggs are getting more expensive. The U.S. Bureau of Labor showing November's average price at almost $3.65 a dozen, up from about $2.14 a dozen at the same time last year.
Got to be dealt with. The avian flu has got to be taken care of.
The U.S. government has been increasing testing this fall and is working on vaccines for dairy cows and other species.
So my chicks do not touch the ground, and that's another great way to prevent your chicks from getting sick or spreading illnesses in your babies.
Brittany also doing her part, feeding and watering her chickens in their enclosures.
So that prevents wild birds from eating their food and drinking out of their water, which is how diseases are mostly spread, are going to be from wild birds.
With turkeys and guinea geese on guard.
As soon as they see a wild bird try to come into their territory, they chase it off.
Which can sometimes be easier for the backyard suppliers versus the bigger commercial farms.
So when something happens to even just one of them, that could potentially disrupt the entire chain for getting your eggs at the store.
Health officials say the likeliness of humans contracting the avian flu from other animals is really, really low, but basic hygiene rules still apply to stop the spread of the disease. If you're around chickens like I am, you can wash your hands and change your clothes, take off your shoes before going inside. That will help keep things clean and safe. We're in Queen Creek. Erica Stapleton, 12 News.